here it is. Good morning. Welcome to Homeward Hotel. How can I help you, ma'am?
Good morning. I have a room reservation under parking lot.
Okay, let me find that for you. Yes, here it is. Welcome, Courtney Macmahon. You're staying in Deluxe for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Can I see your ID, please?
Oh,
ID. Here it is. Thanks, all good. So you're checking out on October 24, right? Yes. Checking out time in 12 noon, or you can also check it out quickly if we have a pool open until 9 p.m. A restaurant with Filipino and other foods, and free Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password is only 5 digits.
okay, thank you. So, how much it costs?
I think 1K.
So, I'm gonna pay using my card.
Yeah. The room is 300 on the 3rd floor. Here's your key, ma'am. Just put it in the door to open it. If you have anything, if you need anything, just call me at my number 0905-782-742, or just call your room by pressing 0, or see us here. Do you have any question po?
I guess that's all. So I will notify you whenever.